So welcome to the International Palma Boat Show 2025 edition. This year, Easyboats, we're very happy. We are presenting this exclusive boat, this Novamarine model Black Shiver 120 with 400 horsepower, so it's 1200 horsepower. It's a very powerful boat with exclusive, very exclusive qualities. So we hope that you come and visit.
Hello everyone, I'm Daniel Mulet from Easyboats. We are happy to present this new Vanquish 58 and also this Vanquish 40. We will be here until May 3rd on Saturday. Please come and visit us.